Hi everyone, it's Darla. It's Scrap Happens here with Tuesday's tip. Today I have a really fun project that I want to share with you. I had some friends over yesterday and we were crafting, and one of them wanted to make coasters. I like to make coasters. Here's one that I made a couple years ago for a women's retreat at our church. It was a gift that I gave them with a little stand to hold it up for encouragement. And so this was the start of today's project because I had a lot of blunders. And so what I did was I just inked over what I had messed up on and set it aside to work on later. Well, yesterday, while my friend was here making some coasters, I decided to work on those blunders. And I came up with these very cute coasters. So I wanted to show you how I did that today. I think I made a set of 4 of each of them. And I just think that they will make really great Christmas gifts, or things that if you're a demonstrator that you could sell at a craft fair, or just a fun project to get together with friends and make. So let's get started. I have here a coaster. It's just a dollar store coaster, so they're $1. And I have some Memento black ink. And what I had done, I don't have any of my messed up ones because I made those 2 sets of 4. So I'm just going to start with a fresh one. I have Memento black ink, and I am just going to ink up the coaster. I think I'm using my dried out one. I just filled ones, or just re-inked ones. So let me get that one going. Okay. So that's all inked up. And that's how I did the Merry Christmas ones. I just inked it up with black ink, let it dry. Then I stamped my tree, which is from the In the Pines stamp set. And I stamped my sentiment, which is from the Merry Christmas. It says Merry Christmas, and it's from the Snowman Season stamp set. I really love that font. That's why I chose that one. Okay, and so this is just on plain. Now, for the Peace on Earth project, I wanted it to look more like a chalk, not painting, but some chalk work. And so to get that effect, I used my Whisper White ink pad. I need to order a new one. And I just rubbed a little bit of the Whisper White ink on there. That's also what I stamped the images and the sentiment with. And then I have a baby wipe, and I just kind of smeared it around a little bit. Okay, then again, I take my Whisper White craft ink pad, and I stamp on my coaster. And I'm going to do my sentiment. I'll make another set of these Merry Christmas. Voila! And that's perfect. Now the really cool thing about these is it does take a while for this to dry, this ink to dry. So if you messed up, like sometimes the stamp kind of slips, and so your image might not be as crisp, especially on the sentiment. But all you have to do is take your baby wipe, and I'm not going to do that on this one because it turned out pretty good actually. Take your baby wipe and wipe it all off, and you can start again. So the sky's the limit with this technique. I think it's super fun and a super cute project, and will make a really loved gift. I think people will love it. To finish it off when it's dry, I did spray them with some clear gloss to make them waterproof. I also, oh, before I sprayed my tree, I did brush some Wink of Stella over the trees. And it kind of feels like it's taking the white ink off when you do brush that Wink of Stella, but it doesn't. And it just adds a little sparkle. So that's all I have for you today. Super fun project. I hope you'll give it a try. And I hope you'll give it as a gift and that your loved ones or friends will absolutely adore it. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a great day. If you like what you saw, hit subscribe so you don't miss another Tuesday's Tip video. Follow me on Facebook and on my blog at scraphappensherewithdarla.com. And I will see you next week with another Tuesday's Tip. Bye.